Good morning.
Good morning, folks. May I take your order?
Hi, Katie. Can I have longganisa meal?
What else? Okay, how about drinks? How about drinks po?
Orange juice.
This one. And what's the orange juice? This one. Anything. Okay, how much else, ma'am?
Hash brown.
Limited the olive. You can order po ng lashes. Order po ng ganito with cheese, plain hot dog, and
naging ano na siya customer.
Mama.
What else, mama? Oh, no more na, okay na.
It's them. Dine-in. Dine-in or take-out?
Da-
Yes, very good. 134.
Faster.
Thank you.
So here's your change.
I'm going to give you glasses.
Your number. Thank you po.
Thank you po. This beautiful. Thank you.
Yes.
Look at me naman.
I'm not thirsty. Oh, you might fall.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Ako, 127.
Thank you po. McDonald's.
Good.
Saya ka today?
Saya.
Mag-order si mama sa'yo ah.
Let's go.
Nag-smile ka ba? Sabi mo, ano pa mama? Ano sa'yo mga yung mama?
Ano pa, mama?
Gusto ko.
Parang gusto ko na mag-cashier ng isa.
Parang gusto mo na mag-cashier?
Na isa lang.
Ano isa?
Gusto mo mag-order?
Ah, mag-cashier ka pa ulit?
Ask ko sa kanila kung pwede.
Ano pa ba? Wait lang. Gusto? Chicken nuggets. 10 pieces chicken nuggets.
10 pieces na. Okay, very good. Barbecue sauce or SNS sauce?
SNS sauce kaya?
Barbecue na.
O sige, barbecue na lang. Mas marunong pa. Kunyari lang yon.
Dine-in.
Okay na po.
Take out, diba?
Take out. How much po? 218.
Repeat mo po yung order. Your order po is? Order niyo po is?